The Executive Committee of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council today appointed its legal advisor Robert June Kharjahrin as a mediator to settle differences between Hima Sohiong and Hima-Jirang over NONGWAH-MAWTAMUR after the JAC of KHUN HAJAR Hima Sohiong had recently marched to the office of the KHADC to demand the ouster of the LYNGDOH of Hima Sohiong and also the handing over of NONGWAH-MAWTAMUR back to Hima Sohiong, which the JAC alleged that the LYNGDOH of Hima Sohiong had earlier sold off to Hima-Jirang. To settle the issue, the EM in charge Ilaka Jamborwar today convened a consultation meeting between Hima Sohiong and Hima-Jirang, together with the representatives of the 14 villages under NONGWAH-MAWTAMUR, to discuss on the differences that had arisen on the 11th of this month, where Hima Sohiong was represented by its LYNGDOH Banchempang Thaba, while Hima-Jirang was represented by its aim RH Walang. After the meeting, the executive member Ilaka informed that the KHADC has appointed the legal advisor of the council, Robert June Kharjahrin, as a mediator to coordinate between the two Himas so that they come to a mutual understanding, while at the same time examining the demands of the JAC towards returning NONGWAH-MAWTAMUR to Hima Sohiong. All the procedures would have to be dealt with through the mediator, Jamborwar informed.
Ka nakalyang jong ka district council lengba ka ilaka administration ngila khot mentakasngi ya kaneka meeting kaneka consultation meeting ya ki artli ki Hima ka Hima Sohiong bat ka Hima-Jirang bat ngila khot langru ya ki khatsau tli ki Shillong kata kamu ya ya ki sodar bat ya ki secretary jong kini ki khatsau tli ki Shillong nakabenta ban ya phliu jingmot ha ka ba yadai bat kitu ki jing mi ki kendrom kendram ha ka khatwei trek jong mentau benai ha ka ba ki dan kitu ki JAC ki ba ong ba ki ki khun ki HAJAR jong kai ma Sohiong ki balawan bantur sakni ko office na ka benta bandawa banweng ya LYNGDOH Sohiong alor ka jing IT lane kajing keno jugi kalong ba uladi ya ka Hima NONGWAH-MAWTAMUR sya ka Hima-Jirang te nakalyang jongi ka district council ngi snow bakane ka de ka kam ka ba khia ka ba ngi hap ban yo ya ka jing ya liu chingmot khamtam yakini ki artli ki Hima bat yaki Shillong ki badan hangti ya kasnat NONGWAH-MAWTAMUR te ngi penpau ya ka jing snukman ba nakalyang jong kini ki artli ki Hima ki layawan ban ya ami khmat nakasngi nakalyang LYNGDOH nakalyang ki LYNGDOH right nakalyang ki executive member jong ka Hima Sohiong nagalyang jong USM ka Hima-Jirang ki menteri bat ki executive member jong ka Hima-Jirang bat paro ki sodar bat ki secretary jong ki Shillong jong ki khatsau tuli ki Shillong jong ka shnat NONGWAH-MAWTAMUR bat haden ka jing ya phliu jing bat ngi lasem ya ka jing yakut ka jungi ban na ka benta ban wanra ya ka jing ya snuthu jing bat piam hapadeng kini ki artli ki Hima hakabe dei bat kiti kasna NONGWAH-MAWTAMUR ngila thung da u mediator lane ukseng uban coordinate yakini ki artli ki Hima nakabenta bakin kin wan shakajing ya snuthu jing bat lese ladaga dei kumba ki dawa badai banpan phai biang ya kathika Hima NONGWAH-MAWTAMUR sya ka Sohiong ru kadai lang ba uni uksiang jongi ka bangila thung na ka bantaban coordinate ikini ki artli ki hima nile yakran bun ki nile tliu bun ki eki haswa bingin sapoi sakata